In this footage taken from the dash cam of the involved unit, you can see the illuminated vehicle that approaches them as they travel westbound on 7 Mile. They then make a U-turn to go eastbound on 7 Mile to investigate this vehicle further. They activated a traffic stop. The vehicle turned into the drive-through of a business at the corner of Gratiot and 7 Mile where the traffic stop was conducted.
No, ma'am, I can't hear you. Do you mind turning the car off?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, I really appreciate you.
Mm-hmm.
ID card, okay.
Let me roll all the windows down, baby.
Yes, ma'am, if you could. You said you're not sure of any weapons, right?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
I'm not carrying nothing. Do y'all have any weapons in here? Please let them know, bro. I don't.
Are you proof we check, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. All right,
hop out. Go and hop out, ma'am.
Me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah. Keep both hands up for me. Appreciate you. Nothing in that purse, right?
Nothing.
Bit up. Hey, bit up. Do solid. Just keep both hands right here, all right? Appreciate you. You nervous? Huh? You sure? All right, man. Go step right here for me. Keep right here. Yeah. Keep him up, all right? Don't move. Don't move. I said don't move, right? All right, don't step out. Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Untense up. Untense your arms, bro. Come on. Hey, dog. Chill out. You finna get tased, bro. Chill out. Stop. You finna get tased, bro.
You finna get tased.
Hey, show me your hands.
Hands. Get the fuck on the ground. .42-15 shots fired. East 7 Mile and Gratiot.
Hey, show me your hands.
Hands. Get the fuck on the ground. Chill out. You finna get tased. Hey, what?
You good, man? Chill out.
Stop.
You finna get
Tased, bro.
Hey, my man.
Hey, show me your hands. Get the fuck on the ground. You got shots fired.
For real?
Who's trying to play your bitch? Shots fired.
For real?
You said my arm. You hit? Are you hit?
Yes.
Where?
I don't know.
Shots fired by
What the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Ow, my arm. Come on, bro.
Go ahead, man.
Just for you guys' knowledge, DPOA president is in office.